right, homework 4-1, and we are going to be talking a lot about probability in this unit. So, jump off here talking about possible outcomes of events. So here we have a marble being selected from a bag containing 8 marbles, and those marbles are numbered 1 to 8. So we have to look at, it says event A here is the marble selected has a number less than 4. Event B says the marble selected has an odd number. And so the first thing we're asked to do here is come up with the sample set that has marbles less than 4 and an odd number. Okay, marbles that are less than 4 and an odd number. Possibilities there are 1 and 3. Those are the odd numbers less than 4. So this would be my sample set or possible outcomes for events A and B occurring at the same time. Now let's take a look what's different when we say, well, what about events A or B? Events A or B occur. All right, so events A or B, well, event A is all the numbers less than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, so that's A. And here's B. B are the odd numbers, which, let me put them in a different color. Odd numbers would be 1, 3, 5, and 7. Now the deal is, I do not, these numbers that occur twice, I'm not going to put them in there twice. So I'm not going to put 1 and 3 in there again because they were already in here when I put the numbers less than 4 in there. So my final set is going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Those are the numbers that could happen for event A or B. Okay, and the last thing we have to do here, it says the complement of event A. So the event, remember, event A is picking a marble that has a number less than 4, okay? Less than 4 being 1, 2, or 3. The complement to that is the direct opposite of that. So be careful here. The complement of this is picking a marble, selecting a marble that has a number not less than 4. Not less than 4. Okay? So your complement would be picking either 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. This would be the complement to event A. These would be the things that are not less than 4. Okay, moving on. Let's see, I think we're going to similar to this. The same kind of thing. They say this is a little bit more advanced. In this case, you have 345 students. Students are classified male or female, and then they are also classified according to their major: biology, business, engineering, mathematics, or computer science. And then the results are given here. Okay, all those numbers should add up to 345. It says among the business majors in the sample. So where are the business majors? Here are the business majors. How many business majors are there? There are 78 business majors. So among the business majors, find the relative frequency of those who happen to be male. So what's the percentage of males in the business majors? Okay, so there are 40 males out of the 78. Okay, I'm just going to do 40 divided by 78 and round it to 2 decimal places. And that'll give me my answer. All right, good luck with those. Shouldn't be too difficult for you. If you have a question though, reach out to me. Start off with this one. It says calculating relative frequencies from a contingency table. It says we have 367 people. People are classified according to places of residence, urban, suburban, or rural. And they're also classified according to the highest educational degree. No college, 2-year college, 4-year college, or advanced degree. And the results are given below. So if we took all these numbers here, all 12 of these numbers, added them up, we should get 367. The question is, what is the relative frequency of people in the sample whose place of residence is suburban? Okay, what is the relative frequency, or basically the percentage of people in the sample whose place of residence is suburban? Okay, so here are all the suburban people. Here are all those suburban people. I'm going to take those and I'm going to add them all up. And then I'm going to divide that by my total number of people. And then I'm going to round that to 2 decimal places, and that's going to be my answer here. Okay, so take all the suburbanites, they're all in that row right there, add them up, divide by the total number of people to get that relative frequency. All right, let's look at the other